Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. I am still in eastern North Carolina, staying a few extra days with my mom. Thought I would share the stash ads from the Down East Con in Havelock, North Carolina. Stick around, I'll show you what I got. Okay guys, we're going to start off with what I picked up at the raffle table. Actually, my brother Scott had the tickets while I was filming, and he got what I would have gotten anyway. But the good old classic Monte Carlo Aero Coupe, which if you're a NASCAR fan, you can't live without one of these. And this is the Earnhardt version, the monogram 1/24 scale. And never have enough of these things in your stash, guys. And the next one up is another Aero Coupe. And this one we're going to come back to in a minute because I want to show you something unique, I think, or odd anyway. And this one is factory sealed, as you can see, I think, because you've got a Toys R Us 769. So this is an old kit apparently, or it was on clearance one. But catch this. These stickers are underneath, they're underneath the sealed plastic. And I don't think they did that back then. So we're going to open this one at the end, and we're going to make sure that that just didn't get resealed or something. Next up was for my birthday last Friday. My brothers are also police officers, and having a last name of Batson, we've been called Batman most of our time. And so my brother Scott gave me a Gotham police car Dodge Charger. Really cool. So that'll go in my stash there. And next up was some Eggplanes I found. And I know there's an Eggplane build coming up. And I started thinking as I was looking at these things, I really didn't think about it at first because I was looking for a particular car. But when I saw these, I thought, you know what? There's an F-14 Tomcat. And the first Top Gun movie was featuring these things, the F-14s. And then this latest one, Maverick, is FA-18 Hornets. So I thought, I could do an homage to Top Gun. So I thought I'd have some fun with these, so I picked them up too. So this will be fun. This will be fun. Love those Eggplanes anyway. They've got that unique, cute look. And when I first got there, I saw two of these. One's a little different than the other, but these Dodge Chargers, Daytonas, were sitting there, and a guy had them marked down ridiculously cheap as a clearance thing. And this one, you see the doors open and the hood opens, but check this out. I don't know if I can get down close enough where you can see it, but that is a Hemi. And after what I did to that 64th scale engine, I thought, you know what, I can blow this thing apart and see if I can dress that Hemi up a little bit. But anyway, I thought that was so cool, and like I said, the ridiculous price that was on it, I went ahead and jumped on it. But what caught my eye in those first was this one. This is I think, Universal. The other one's Road Champs. But check that out. Does that look familiar? So this one I had to have. This thing's got a great paint job on it. Great detail on it too. Really, really cool. So I picked that up, and that'll go in the office there too. I love the white walls, the rally wheels. Love it. So I'll be putting that one in there too. Let's go back to that Richmond car a minute, because I'm curious if someone resealed that. I've only encountered that one time, but doing this with one hand is kind of difficult. I do not have my camera stand with me up here, so I'm having to hold the thing with one hand. But I'm just curious if this thing. Well, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, without a camera stand, I'm learning to appreciate my camera stand more. Yeah, that's on the box. So I don't know if this has been resealed or not, but we're going to find out here in a second. The box is beat up enough that it's open. Well, you know what, guys? This looks like it's a complete kit. The bag is sealed. Well, now wait a minute. Where are the instructions and the decals? Yeah, this one's been resealed. Check that out. They don't come from the factory like that. There are the windows. I'm going to put a paper towel around those to make sure those don't get something on them. But the decals and instructions are missing. And there's an extra. Check that out. This is that 5-wheel Aero Coupe. So somebody did reseal that. There's another piece of the clear. So the bag, unless they resealed the bag is sealed. Looks like all of the parts are on the sprue. I'll go through it further later. But yeah, we've got an extra tire and rim. Well, extra tire. One of the wheels is off of the thing there. And yeah, they've taken the instruction sheet and the decals out of it and they've resealed it. So how about that? And we'll get it back together here somehow. All right, guys, that's it for the stash ads from the Havelock show. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you tagging along. And listen, guys, I really appreciate the support, the subs, and all that stuff. And if you're not a subscriber, head on over, hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Head over to the Teespring store. Got some adjusted stuff in there and some new stuff too. And we will see you in the next video. God bless, guys. Have an awesome week. See ya. Good night, guys. Say good night, Mom.
Good night, Mom.
See you guys.